Okay, so good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today we're on the day number 7 of our batch. I saw there's a lot of to and fro's are going on the group, creating a user, not working, password, and other things will be there. Hope everything has been sorted out now for everybody. Okay, or
Mm,
still anybody has any open issue or not able to access
There
properly.
is, yeah, there is one issue. The user that I created for
Anita,
Anita, I can show you how it is, but it's not working. I added to the group. I also,
give me a minute. Let me check it here only for a minute.
please, yeah, I just wanted to know if I did it correctly or
To reset, that's good. So what issue you are facing, Anita?
Yes, I found out that each time I try to log in is not working. It keeps bringing back the first information that is shared with me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then when the first information I try to set it to remember ID and password. So I guess maybe that was where I messed it up. So
Okay.
each time I try to, when he resets the password and or send me the new ID, each time I try to log in, is always when I copy and paste on the form.
Mm-hmm.
Once I click submit or log in, it
Mm-hmm.
will go back to my old ID, the first ID that he sent to me, the first information he sent to me, and then it will give me error message that
Do one.
invalid password and ID.
Okay. Wait. Let me reset your password once again and say and do one thing. Share your screen and quickly do it. I'm giving you the new password here. Okay. Quickly share your. Do one.
Invalid password and ID.
Okay. Wait. Let me reset your password once again and say and do one thing. Share your screen and quickly do it. I'm giving you the new password here. Okay, quickly share your screen. Yep, I can see. Go ahead. Go ahead, Anita. Share your screen. Go to the service now. Open.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see everybody able to see your screen. Go ahead.
Okay.
Open the browser. I just message your new password now. No, no. Have you put the new password?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Close this previous window. Close everything. Huh. Just open this thing. Dev 250816. Open that only. Nothing else.
Okay, let me just go the route I usually go.
Mm-hmm.
The route I usually go is
Go to browser. Go to browser. Okay.
okay. I get it from here.
Sure, sure, no problem. Go ahead. No, it's going for yesterday. Yes, no, no, it's for yesterday. Check for today.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Put the password which I messaged in the chat window just now. Scroll down. Yes, this is the password now.
Okay.
Go ahead. Put the current password, which I just gave you. Again, put in the current password. Wait. Yes, remove this. Yep. And choose your new password.
Oh, okay.
I guess you submitted or what? Enter. Don't do anything. Just put new password once, and then submit. Scroll down. Yep. New password. New password. You have to be write it again. Something new.
Yes, yes. Um,
And if you want, we can close our eyes so that we did not see your password.
it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes.
You want
No
me to update?
pass. Okay. Here. No. Cancel. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. Your password must contain at least one uppercase. Your current password is wrong. Paste it. And now choose the new password. Done. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Taking the screen back and starting this part now. Okay. So yesterday we saw that how to create users and how to create a consumer. And I'm sure that everybody is able to create a consumer now. Any issue in that creating consumer?
Yeah, Atul, I was having one issue that
What?
email was not getting synced.
Okay. Because
Same
I
for me.
tried after this call. So what you have to be do the steps are easy. Let's try it now again. Okay.
Surprisingly, I tried on my instance and that same steps works, but here I tried
Is
two,
it?
3 times.
Oh, let it give a try. Okay. And submit. And now just click on the save. Okay, so now if I come back here, no email, that's fine. Now if I go back here, okay, it means something wrong with this part. You're right, because yesterday after the training, when I say it's done, or it takes some time.
Something to do with save update, Atul?
नहीं, as such तो
Right.
नहीं है, because this BR run on the update and we
Right.
done that particular part.
Correct. Yeah, true.
Atul, sometime back I was able to create a consumer.
You're able to create consumer, okay?
Yeah, it was working fine.
Yes, I'm saying yesterday I tried, after the training only I tried.
Yeah.
It was
You
working fine.
LNG train consumer created twice.
Right.
Let me see what did
No,
I
yeah,
do.
there might be some issue with this instance of the BR, because if I go back here and we say क्या नाम था कल जो बनाया था,
LNG. Atul LNG.
Atul LNG, no? Right? But it should find out. Oh, sorry, I'm not looking at the number. Sorry, my bad. This one, which I created after the training itself. It's showing immediately. Not much updates I have to do. Immediately it showed. So might be it can be instance. So Chandravan, it's working in your instance or not?
Yeah, it's working in my instance, and that is also very quick.
Very quick, right?
Yes.
Then might be it's some issue with my instance only, because we get it 2 now and nothing is working.
Try with my name. They should show up a consumer.
See, it's not working. Or might be we can try one more time. Let change the steps a little bit. Not the steps, but okay. And let me do the submit. Something wrong with this only, because there's nothing much we can do here more other than this. We are doing this part. Let me update to be sync. It might be because that BR run or the update only. नहीं, and might be need to be check on this particular that why this BR is not working. Or you can try in your own PDA that it is working or not. Because yesterday it worked, I was happy that okay, might be something wrong I did, but it should work for everybody actually. not this case. Okay, so if you can try that in your PDA it's working fine, then fine. Otherwise, I will try to repair this plugin and see that it's something plugin issue or might be my instance issue only then. Because nothing is getting changed. We are following the right steps, or I follow the right steps only, which we followed yesterday. No, sorry, I think again look like my instance issue only. So we need to be. I'll try to be repair this plugin now. Okay, and if it's not working in your PDA as well, then try to be repair it. Or I'll find something on the community that it's something like a non-issue or we are doing some wrong steps here. Okay. Now one more thing which I was missed out yesterday, and we have to be do when you're creating the primary address. Sorry, not the primary address. I said okay. When you're filling this detail, try to left out. Okay, zip code. Let me change something. Issue.
Atul, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Ronald.
Oh, this is Madhur. So it is creating the user ID. I just created one consumer called Demand Diago.
Okay.
Instantly it is updating.
That is the point only. Yesterday after training, when I create, it takes seconds only. I just reload the page, it's done. But like you say that it's not created yesterday. Ronald also saying that I did get created, but email ID not getting synced yesterday as well. So what's wrong with my this thing? I'm really surprised to see. Even though we have a complete rights as well, complete role as well. And yesterday also I log in with the same admin ID only. It's working fine for me. Not sure what's wrong here. The reason I'm saying that might be I have to be repair my plugin, or I will check on the community that is it a kind of a common issue or non-issue, or need to be do something else on that particular part. That is the point here now. Okay, so shall we move forward now? If everybody okay, yes, Ronald, go ahead.
So Atul, I have a question. We are creating a consumer, right? And now we are linking to a user that is created in this user table.
Right.
So why is that? I mean, I'm not able to figure out that connection. I mean,
because ultimately to log in into the system, a user need to be created, and user table is the base for the same.
Okay.
Now, when we create a customer as well, it will go in the user table.
Okay.
Because the actual authentication to log in into the system will become from the user table only.
Okay, so internal and external users will sit in the same table.
Correct. At the last.
Okay, got it. Understood.
But like in the HR case, we create users. And we say these are the HR profiles specifically. In the HR profile also we create the same manner. But ultimately to log in into the system, it should be exist in the user table.
Got it. Okay, fine. Understood. Yes, understood. Thanks.
Okay. So now, so if all okay, can we proceed further? I'll also find out something on this particular part that what to do. Okay. Now, one thing which I was saying, and I read it yesterday, if we did not fill these details completely, let's say I'm not filling city or state, then try to be add the address. Is it working or not? Question is that if I did not fill these two fields, let's say these last two fields, and I tried to make the address same as billing or shipping, will it work or are you getting any error? Try at your end. Okay. This is what the purpose for this particular thing. Now let's come back to this particular slide. This section has been done. Now the section comes this. And this is in the B2B part. In the B2B part, minimum two things are not minimum two, basically three things are required. Number one, we have to be create an account, company to whom you are onboarding in the service now. To be create the primary contact to whom you have to be reach out in case to make any changes. And last, the all other contacts of that particular company who are going to be use your product. Okay. So to do this particular part, let's go and search for the roles. To do this, we need a customer service manager role. This role is required customer service agent with additional role for managing agent and overhead agent action. See, I can't tell my agent to onboard the customer. It's my responsibility as an account manager, as a customer service manager to be onboard my customers. And the foundation data I have to be create. So either you need customer service manager role or you need the system admin role. One of the role is required to work on that particular part. Now let me do one thing. Let me go to my profile. Okay, and let me give all the role related to CSM. Let's see, might be that is a role issue only, but it should not be, which is what I'm thinking there. I'm doing the wrong practice. Send underscore. Okay. This and customer service. Even though with the admin role we can do everything, that's fine. But still, to be safer side, I'm giving the roles to my profile now. What happened? Okay, that's fine. Now, first we will create account. Example. Now we're on this particular case. This is IT company and this is insurance company. Now I am the insurance company called the Tooth. And I am providing services to the IT company called Brush. So in this case, if I say that instead of Tooth, I can say I am a LNG Pathshala. And now I have to be on board as an account. So what I have to do? I have to be go there. Also, one more thing, let me open the guided setup as well in the parallel. Open it will take time, and I will go here and accounts under customer service, customer, and click on the accounts. And here I will create one account. And there is an account hierarchy as well. Like Tata is one account. Tata Consultancy is the one. Tata Communication is one. But parent is Tata. So now I will create one account. Again, I'm repeating, account means I have to be create the company record. This LNG record I have to be create. So I'll go and put the name LNG. I'm not putting the LNG Pathshala because this is me, LNG Pathshala, who's a service provider. My account is LNG. Do we have any parent account for this? No. Is LNG registered? Yes. What is the code? LNG registered in the UK 123568. It is my customer. Yes. Is it my customer? Yes. What is the website for the LNG? LNG.com. Phone number. This. Country. Let's put country USA. If you want to put anything on the note section, you can put it. Now the details. What type of industry it is? It is a technology service. It has no relation, but just for the references that I am an insurance company and who are my customers. I have 100 of customers. I have a domain, customers from the IT, healthcare, insurance, computers, and all things are there. Legal entity is known as the LNGP. Business structure, partnerships means how they are behaving, how they are working. I'm just saying it's a corporation. Anything you want to put a name, date of incorporation, tax ID, because definitely will charge something, so you need tax ID as well. Any logo, trademark you want to put, you can put it. Now contact information, like the basic one, help@, which we got it. So you can put the contact information if you want, otherwise you can leave it. So I can put abc@, or I can say lng@p.com. And now I am submitting this. My account get created. My account means the identity of LNG company is getting created in the LNG Pathshala. This part has been done. Clear, everybody? Any doubt, question? Go ahead, any doubt, question? Good. Now go to the next part. Next part is this. Go here and अब देखो. Now these are the things which are related with this account LNG. Contacts, account address, definitely company का भी तो address होगा, right? I'm working for an X company. What is their address? Headquarters? There must be some address. So I'll put address here. And it is going in the account address relationship table. And it is picking the data from the location. Might be, if you notice that in this one, it is different. But do you want to make it as a billing address or the shipping address? You can make it the same thing. See, same concept. I can say it is address in the it's not coming from the CMN table, or we have to create one. Okay, we can get a new address as well. Name LNG Corporation, street LNG city, LNG state, LNG country, USA, and this, and submit. And I want this as a my billing and my mailing address. And is it is my primary contact, primary address. All the communication will be go on this one, and click on the submit. So now this has been done. Now coming to the contacts. That is another important part now. Now before we go to the contact, let's come to the guided setup. So ये हो गया. Now we have to discuss this part. Get started. This accounts we are creating manually. If you want, you can follow the same practice which we did yesterday. Download the Excel format and then you can import the accounts. Now we are going to be create the contacts. See, import contacts B2B. To create an account, we will go next level now. And to do this particular part, I'll pick up this hierarchy a little later. Let's close this part first, contact part. Okay. to do this particular thing, account we have done and coming here for the contact. You can go here as well, or you can go here as well. Contacts. It is going in the customer contact list table. New. Still going there only. But it will have a relationship with the user table in the background. Okay, so now I'll fill the detail. Let's say for this company, Mr. Brush. Just paste. Which account it belong? It belong to LNG account. Any preferred language? English. And what is the email ID for this? push.paste@lng.com. If you want to put anything email ID, this you can put it. Okay. And now I click on the save. And if you see, we did not do anything. We did not give a single role, but this user get these many role out of the box. These many role out of the box. ESM user, task activity reader, appointment booking user, and as SN external role. That is important for us. क्योंकि external है मेरे लिए. It is external role. And if I scroll down, might be one or more two roles are there. And primary email device created for this user. And if you scroll down, let me refresh. Okay. Now, if we do one thing, let me go here and open the user table. And now search. See, it's auto sync. And the customer account, customer contact get created in the user table as well. Because ultimately to log in, a user need a user ID. This particular phase will only tell that it is a which account it belongs. Let the same example, if from this company Ronald call and Sukhinder pick up the call. Then say, sir, what is your good name? My name is Ronald. And I'm calling from LNG company. Okay, sir, give me a minute. So agent will not go here. Sorry, agent will not go here. Agent will go here and see that, okay, you are belonging to LNG account. Yes, sir, tell me what you want. And open the case for you. You can add the location for this contact if you want. Possibly it can be same location, but I am working from home, so I want to give my home location. I can add my social profiles as well. So now you can raise your concern over the Twitter as well. This is our handle and this is your handle. So you can add the details as well. Clear hua? Any doubt till this point? Tell me.
There is a question about social profile. Can I ask?
Yes, go ahead.
So social profile, there is this concept of omni-channel, right?
Right.
So linking with Teams or linking with other social media profile, and particularly with MS Teams, does that linking happened here?
This is external one. MS Team is, you can pick up, I can say, no, MS Team will not be there. Social means your Twitter, your Facebook, those, because nowadays consumer and customer are so smart, they log the issues in the Twitter as well. Let's say you book a flight. Okay. Take a flight.
Right.
But your experience is very bad. What you will do on the first point? You will contact to the airline and say you need a refund because you're not happy with this, or you lost your baggage and all the things will be there. Okay. 2 days, they did not respond. 3 days, they didn't respond. Now what next you will do? You will email them, not responding. Then, being a frustrated customer or the consumer, you will go to the LinkedIn. Sorry, no, I'm saying LinkedIn. You go to the Twitter and you type their Twitter handle and you put your complaint or the frustration, right? Generally, we're doing this thing only, right? If you need immediate attention, you're doing this thing. But how the company is handling this part? When I was reading this course, I came to know that there are specific users, specific role, who go to the social media platform and find out that who is raising the request, who is raising the complaint, and then they reply you back. Sorry to hear about your experience. Let team connect with you one-to-one. Then you say, wow. Till the time I was calling them, messaging them, nobody was replying. As soon as I put on the Twitter, people start replying to me. And this thing happened to me. I did this part. So those are the social media. Your Facebook communities or special communities are there. To access that, you need a social profiles. There's a separate topic come in the almost at the last slide. That now you can log these things via community as well. That is the reason companies say now you can reach out to us on the Instagram or the Twitter or Facebook communities as well. Connect with us on this part so that it is easy for you to log your complaint, your request, your issues, your frustration in these social media platforms as well. This social media play a very vital role in the background for CSM use case. ठीक है, clear हुआ now, Madhur? It's Madhur, right?
Yes, Atul. Clear.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Now we're done this part.
No, Atul.
Good.
Atul, what is install base item? Sorry, I missed that.
No, अभी discuss ही नहीं किया हमने.
Okay.
All these things ना will come tomorrow. ये पूरा एक it's like a trap in all together. So once we open this topic, it will go in the very depth level. Okay. So now we've done this part. ये भी हो गया, ये हुआ है, but this is pending now. Contact तो बन गया. I can create one more contact here. I can go and I can create one more contact. Let me do it quickly. Name him and him@agility.com. ठीक है, चलो. Now I need to I have 2 contacts. I have to make one contact as a primary. Now go here and search for the accounts. Here. What is my account? Is LNG. This one. Now what I will do this thing. I will add a field here called primary. Primary contact. You can add this field if required on the form level as well via form layout. But if you think no, that's not required, then fine. Double click. I can put Ron. Ron ही बनाया था ना हमने user account. ये क्या बनाया था? अच्छा चलो him करके देखे. Him. I guess it was something different name. And now him is the my primary contact. So now if you open this, I have a 2 contacts. And let me see, do we have any flag here as a primary?
There is one on the form field that you had.
Form level, right? So we have to be either add on the form level. Here. It was not earlier available. So this is again a validation added by service. Now, if you add it via list view, the field will come automatically in the form level. So now this is my primary contact for these kind of for any kind of a discussions. And if you want, you can make the different contacts now. Him is the contact as well, but him is the primary contact as well for me now. Okay, clear till this point? Without question or clarification?
Clear.
Good. Now we'll go to the one more point, which I say I'll pick it up later, is the account hierarchy. Okay. What I will do, I say that this is my bigger part. So this is LNG corporation. Let's say this thing. Okay. Now I will create one more account. I will say LNG sales or LNG disco. What is the primary account? Sorry, what is the parent account? Is LNG corporation. It's a customer. Yes, it's a customer for me only. It might be my partner, but that is a different topic. If you want to put details, you can put it. And this is the banking one. Submit. Let me create one more. LNG Dandia. Now it can be LNG Corp or LNG Disco. Tata Communication, Tata Communication Consulting, Tata Communication Sales. Might be 2 different entities are there. So it is up to you. So are you providing services to the complete Tata group, or you're just providing service to the one? So I can say I am providing to the Tata different what I can say subsidiaries or different organizations of the Tata only, and click on the submit. Now if you go here and open the LNG, you can do the same thing here. Might be for the disco, the primary contact is Mr. Brush. Why it's not coming here? नहीं इसको तो हाँ, because we map this to the LNG Corp actually, not LNG Disco. Because you have to be create a contact which belong to this only. मतलब ये parents contact cannot be come into the child contacts. ऐसा नहीं है. So if I go back here and open my contacts, and search for see, it is part of this. So it will only appear here, not in the disco. So we have to be create one contact which can be primary for this one. So if you say Atul, there are 2 contacts for this one, can we go for the child level? No, we can't extend it for the child level, because these are the 3 separate entities. They are only interrelated with each other, but illegally they are the separate entities. So their contacts will be separate. This person is not managing this disco, so we can't put Mr. Brush or Mr. Him is appearing or not. So yep, nothing is appearing. It means we have to create a specific context for this one. So now how it will look like? What is the purpose of having this? It will look like this. Corp can the disco and dandiya. Click on the full view. Nothing is in the full view actually, because we don't have a multiple extension or multiple users in that particular part. So this is what is the account hierarchy. So what you can do now, what's your ask, your task? Create one account, create 5 or 7 sub accounts. Might be you can pick up a relationship like this and this should be in the disco. Then dandiya is one, then create one more account and map it to some other account only, just to see the hierarchical view. Practically, it is not much matter to me, because I'm not sure that I'm not be like the sure that why, not why basically, that how the other companies are behaving. But because it is a business, tomorrow I want to expand more, so I have to be reach out to these guys as well. Guys, what's your plan to be bring our services in the LNG Dandiya as well, LNG Disco as well? Can you do something together in this particular part? And I will reach out to their accounts, sorry, contacts manager only, primary contacts, primary contact only. Clear till this point, everybody? And doubt, question, and you can see this part here as well. 2 accounts has been created. Account team member, come later. Clear till this point? And doubt, question, so that we can move forward. Anita, Madhure, Ronald.
No.
Doubt.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Clear.
Now let's go to the next level. ये हो गया. This is what we have done just now. उसके 2 बना दिए आगे, and then you can make it different contexts. Okay. Now come to this part. Partner. Now a customer can be my partner as well. Or a customer can't be my partner as well. Let's take example. I said, Ronald, let's do a partnership. But Ratul, I'm your student as well. Okay, that's fine. Let's do a partnership. If I get some work, we will do together. One thing. He's my customer plus he's my partner. I reach out to Chandramani. Or let's say I reach out to Chandramani's friend, Mr. X. He's not taking training from me, but we are the partner. Definitely, if I'm running a company, I have to onboard either a partner or a customer in my system. So now what I'm going to do as a LNG Pathshala, I have to be onboard a partner. Now, 2 things. If you notice this part here. Number 1, I can tick this box. Simple. Because this LNG Corp is my partner as well, and he is my customer as well. Right? Nowadays, what is be happening in the industry? I am giving a services to a customer. And after some time, 5, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months after, the announcement comes that this is our strategic partner. But it doesn't mean that I stop giving services to that to my customer. No, I'm still giving the services, but now I am a partner as well. So in this case, just tick this box, your work done. That is the first part. But let's say update. Now I'll create another account which is only my partner, because यहाँ पर ना there is a required about the account relationship is also required. We did account hierarchy. So now if I say here, let me come back. LNG Pathshala. LNG P. Service provider. Customer. What is the relationship? LNG Pathshala, or sorry, what is the relationship? LNGP is a customer of LNG Pathshala. Alright? Agree? I'm not building the account hierarchy. Remember, account hierarchy means under the LNGP, I have a LNGD, I have a LNGC. This is account hierarchy. This is account relationship. Though alag-alag, there's a two different things. Anita, do you understand Hindi little bit or not?
Yes, I do.
Oh, nice, nice. That's nice. Might be some other day we'll take your introduction as well. So might be, so it means I can easily use little bit Hindi words if required. Madhur, is okay for you, Chandramani? Little bit words, not the complete in Hindi.
For me, it is good.
Okay, then fine. Okay, okay. So this is account hierarchy, and this is account relationship. So LNGP is the customer of LNG Pathshala, or I can say LNG Pathshala provides services to the LNGP. But if I do one more hierarchy level, one more relationship, LNG Pathshala and LNG, and now the relationship is of the partner. LNGP is partner of LNG Pathshala. So same customer, but two different relationship. Same customer, but two different relationship. This is important in the CSM. It is important to understand these points, that what type of services is providing. Now Ronald have a question, but I'm sure you have a question that Atul, how this matter to the business? Right, Ronald, how this matter to the business? Ultimately is my customer only. Because if it is a partner, might be you have a different entitlements, different contracts. But if it's a customer, you have a different entitlement, different contracts. Customers तो मेरे बहुत सारे हैं, but partners are limited. ठीक है? So like if I talk about the ServiceNow perspective, ServiceNow have 500 plus customers, but ServiceNow have only 200 elite partners who support ServiceNow. So we are ServiceNow customer as well actually, but we are partners as well. हम अपने लिए भी यूज कर रहे हैं, we are using ServiceNow for ourselves as well in our companies as well, and we are supporting ServiceNow to sell, resale, implement, deployments, expansion. That's what we are doing here. So now we have to create the relationship, not the hierarchy. Okay, so don't get confused. Its hierarchy is different and relationship is different. Now what I will do, I'll create one account. Let's say Pathshala Corporation, and it's not my customer, it's only my partner. नहीं यार हम तुमसे सर्विस नहीं लेंगे, we will not take services from you, but we'll partner with you. ठीक, code is P123 this, and rest things we can do. Submit. And now I have to create the account relationship. But before that, I have to create the partner contact as well. That is also important. Same process, nothing new. It's only same process. Go here and search for the contact here. And let's say I'm putting Annie is my contact. Pathshala Corp. ani@pathshala.com. When I was preparing these slides, I was laughing as well that what I'm preparing now. Different things, different patterns, different symbols kind of things. Because I was feeling very interested in these concepts. Wow, that is very good. Now let's go here and account relationship here. But before that, what I have to do? I have to create the account relationship type. किस type का relationship है? What type of relationship it is? So if you remember in the CMDB, we have a relationship depends on, run on, manages on. In the same manner, we have to define. In English, we are clearly saying that LNG Pathshala provides services to the LNGP. But how the service now will understand this part? We have to define this here. What it's saying out of the box? Partner account is partner of, is a customer of. So now what we'll do? Come here. What is the relationship type? Provide sales. Okay. From which account? Account is this thing, Pathshala. Relationship, sorry, to partner. मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Provide sales from account to partner. Relationship left to right or right to left way. I'm doing something wrong or what? Let me check my notes. Relationship this account services. What I'm doing wrong in my. Oh wait, let me check again in my notebook. Okay, let me do account from account to partner. Okay, submit. Okay. Now I will go here. So I have created one relationship. Okay, I created one relationship that is from account to partner. And relationship type is provide sales support. Now I'll go here and create my account relationship. To do this particular part, customer service, and I have to go to the partner. This is my partner. Right, this is what we have created. We tick box on the account detail, account field. We tick box this thing, right? Now I'll open this record. And I go to the account relationship. And new. This is what I was looking for actually. It says account partner corporation, account relationship type, partner account, which we just created, and to which account I'm giving. Means LNG Pathshala is my account. And how it is related to the other account. I'm not saying partner to partner, I'm saying account to partner. This is, sorry, partner to account. So I was able to see only all the part accounts here now. LNG Corp. LNG Pathshala Corporation is partner of LNG Corp and LNG Corp is a customer of LNG. Sorry, LNG Corp is a customer of Pathshala Corporation. Little confusing. Yes or no? अरे कोई नहीं बोल रहा. It's all clear. I'm surprised. Yes or no? Confusing, understand, not understand.
It's confusing.
Confusing. It is very detailed. The relationships are
Correct.
Hierarchical, but also parallel.
नहीं, hierarchical नहीं है. Hierarchical is your customer only. Parallel is something different. So let's do one thing. Now I got missed out one more point. Let me go back here. Relationship. This is what I was looking for, that I missed out something. Account relationship type. इसको भी छोड़ते हैं. This is what we created, right? This is what we created. I say relationship type is provide sales support. That is a relationship type, that I will provide the sales services to my other account. But if I see from left to right, if I see from here to here, what it should show? It's a account X provide sales services because my boss. And from right to left, अगर मैं यहाँ से, if I start reading from here, what it should do? Let's say example. This is my father and this is me, father-in-law. If I go to my father-in-law place, my in-laws place specifically, how they introduce me to their guest. He is my son-in-law. Right? That is right to left navigation. He is my son-in-law. But if I introduce, he is my father-in-law, from left to right. So now if you see this part, let me open this to understand more. Open another window and see. Let's use out of the box system only, account relationship, new. Okay, this is account is LNG Corp. That's fine. What is relationship type? Partner account. Company LNG Dandia. Now, did you notice we're not able to find out the Pathshala Corporation? Did you notice in the previous case we were able to see the 100 of accounts, but here we're able to see only 1 or 2 maximum, which is the internal one. It means partner accounts. Who are my partner? What's their account? So now if you see, LNG Corp is a partner of LNG Dandia. LNG Corp is a partner of LNG Dandia and LNG Dandia is a customer of LNG Corp. The only thing is that how you see a glass has a water. Someone say the lower part of glass is full of water. And someone says the upper part of glass is empty. Neither the glass change, neither the water change. Only these words get changed of in between. This is what is the account relationship here. So what we are doing, we are defining now these lines here. And M is this is account to partner relationship. Remember, I said on this side it must be account. This side only the partner should appear. ये भी सबसे बड़ी बात है. You have to be think that what type of relationship you need to be build and with whom. It's account to account, account to partner, partner to account. So if I update this and click on the new, let's do this practical here only. From which account? See, all the accounts will be appearing because I'm saying account. I said let's build LNG Dandia because LNG Dandia is also account for me, but it is not a partner. And what relationship? I said provide sales support. To which account? Sorry, to which partner? It's only providing to the Pathshala Corp. LNG Dandia provides sales support because he's my boss. Pathshala Corp provides sales support because he's its employee of LNG Dandia. So it is a matter here what type of relationship you are creating. Let me again go here. Click new. ये मैटर करता है. You want to create account to account. You want to create partner and account or partner to partner. This can be the case, right? I told I am an LNG Pathshala. LNG told me that can you provide your services to my partner as well? And my partner is Ronald Corporation. Okay? Because I have to be on board. Either I get the standalone Ronald Corporation. I'm not getting it. I'm getting with the support of my partner. So I have to build a relationship in the background. That how LNG Corporation is linked with the Ronald Corporation. What type of relationship they have. LNG Corp is my partner and it is another partner for the part. So they have a partner relationship here. Clear something here or it's still doubtful? Yes or no?
Yes, understood. Atul, when we do this, right? Does it? I mean, like what purpose does it solve besides mapping the relationship?
See, it is not only the mapping. It is mainly that how the services are communicated or delivered to the other users.
Okay.
Might be, let's say, I say, Ronald, if you bring 2 more students in my class, I'll give you 30% off.
Okay.
Because you're my partner.
Okay.
Right. So what I will do, I'll put that how these 2 resources are related to me. They are the friends of Ronald. So that tomorrow, if I building more things, I can give, because now you are my partner. And if you remember that when we discuss about the partner, this thing, who help us a customer ought to be sell. Correct. So you are helping me to grow my trainings.
Correct.
So if you bring two people, then we say, okay, guys, to whom reference you come? I come with a Ronald reference. Okay, ठीक है. You might can say, Atul, these are my partners. Can we get some discount to them as well? Why not? So how you are linked with them? Are you giving services or are you taking services from them? Because it matters to me as a business. Might be tomorrow I separately come and pitch in something more to your partners only. So need to be build this relationship as well in between. And you as a log a case on your behalf of your partners as well. Let's say you bring two partners. Okay. Your two partners says, because you are the service provider for them, right?
Right.
Right. So they will say, okay, Ronald, we will pay 100 pounds extra, but you have to be take care of all our cases as well. You can log our cases on our behalf.
Okay, got it.
Then I have to give you the separate role to work on these things as well.
Okay.
So because it's don't think from the business, think from the sorry, don't think about IT, think from the customer and the business perspective. ये business की बात है पूरे. This is how the relationship work. ठीक है, clear हुआ?
Got it. Yes.
Good.
I think basically it will be more of contract and then entitlements things, which.
Definitely these things matter. Contract entitlement, your level of partnership, your role as a partner in the organization to be sell to grow as well. Might be just a normal partner, might be strategic partner. You help the business to be grow. Benefits, dividend, something, a free services, freebie, something will be there. That is the reason I'm saying that. Taking the example nowadays, if you notice, companies are declaring that he or that particular company is my strategic partner, because they know if they become partner, and this is what the ITL 4 says, co-creation of the value will work only when you work like these relationships. पहले क्यों नहीं था co-creation? Because customers are working silos, providers are working silos, and later on they both find out, no, we are not growing. Let's help each other to grow together. And then they call as a partners, strategic partner, financial partner, transformation partners, kind of things. So now they're equally participating in the big decisions as well. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. This is what the co-creation, and the both getting the value. The service provider also getting the value, because now the service taker putting his name in his customer's domain as well. And as a service provider, I'm putting also my customer name in my domains as well. Guys, why not you take internet services from this company? He's my partner. He's good. I'll set up a meeting. This is how the business work in and out together. Clear all? Good. Let me take a attendance now. Stop the recording.